Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick one on how to make spicy pesto. This pesto is so easy to make and yet it tastes way better than the store-bought version. So if you want to learn how to do it, then just keep watching. And while you're watching guys, do not forget to like and share this video, leave comments in the comment section down below and subscribe to my channel. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using some basil, parsley, jalapeño, toasted pine nuts, garlic, salt, and pepper. So at this point, I'm going to close my food processor and I'm going to pulse it for about 30 to 45 seconds just to begin to break down the nuts. But you have to be careful because you don't want to over process your pesto. So now I've added my Parmesan cheese and I paused it for another 30 seconds. And while that was going, I began to drizzle in about a cup of extra virgin olive oil. So the olive oil is going to begin to pull everything together into one flavor-packed pesto paste. Guys, look at it. We are done with this pesto. It takes just about 3 to 4 minutes to whip this entire thing up. So why don't you make it yourself? Try it, guys. I'm telling you, you are going to love it. It makes everything taste so much better. Even your old socks is going to taste like chicken. I'm telling you. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button so you know when I post new videos. And guys, like and share this video and leave comments in the comment section down below letting me know if you made this pesto and if you liked it. I love you all. See you guys in the next video.